Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 2, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, we'll need to grab one of these things. This is a SIM eject tool which comes provided in the box with the device, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have that plastic coating around it. Anyway, once you have one of those, you want to pop off the cover if you have one, and the tray is located at the bottom of the phone. As you can see right over here, there's a little pinhole right here for you to insert the tool, and once you push it in, you will see the tray pops out just a tiny bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. And it looks like we actually have only space for SIM cards, so there is no SD tray, unfortunately. Now you can occupy either one of those with a SIM card on either side. It doesn't really matter which one. I can place if you're placing single SIM card, you can place it either here or on the other side. Both of them will work. Both of them at the same time will also work. From there, simply pop it back in, and the card should immediately start working. Give it a second. There we go. So you can see it tells us to enter a pin for the SIM card. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.